guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, the topic is, if I hire you and you work with another lawyer on my case, are you going to disappear, DeSalvo? Are you going to disappear and I'm stuck with that other lawyer? Or are you still going to be on my case? Well, this is actually a viewer question from a very nice lady. She has a workers' comp case, and I will and I do co-counsel on a lot of my cases, on a lot of my workers' comp cases. And boy, we got some crazy drivers on the expressway today. Sorry about that. So she I tell everybody, look, I co-counsel with another lawyer, whether it's a workers' comp in-state or whether it's an attorney in Illinois that I work with, that I bring somebody on to help us, or whether it's somebody out of state. I represent a lot of people out of state as well, and I co-counsel with a local lawyer. I'm going to tell you the same thing I told this lady. If I take your case, I never close the file. That file stays open in my office. I co-counsel with lawyers because I like working in a small law practice. I've probably told several of you during consultations that I am not a fan of most lawyers. My experience my experience in observing partnerships between lawyers, it always turns into a fight about money, and I am not interested in that. Okay? I know one guy who was partners with a guy for 30 years, and his partner, who he went to law school with, embezzled from him, stole from the law firm. These guys went on vacation together, their wives were friends, their kids knew each other, the whole thing. So I like practicing in a small law firm. I don't want anyone to tell me, here, work on this case, don't work on this case, you have to drop this guy's case. I don't want any of that. I want this. I want a relationship with the people I want to represent on the cases I want to work on. And if I get too busy, or it's a complex case that's going to require a lot of hours of my time, or if it's a workers' comp case where I would benefit by having somebody help me on it, that's what I'm going to do. And in the vast majority of situations, the way that works is you don't pay two attorneys' fees. You pay my attorney's fee, and I pay the other lawyer out of my fee. So really, it's a win for you. I'm still on the case, and if you ever have a conflict with that other attorney or a problem, or you can't reach them, you call me, and I will fix your problem. Okay? Now, usually on cases when they're getting closer to trial, I get involved, and a lot of times I'm involved in trial, or I'll try the case, or we'll try it together, depending on the case and depending on the circumstances. So my point is, I don't close your file, send it out, and forget about it. If you contact me, I'm your guy. Anything you need, you call me. We'll take care of it. Okay? So, I think that's a question that a lot of people have, and I think a lot of people are shocked or surprised when I tell them that I sometimes co-counsel with other lawyers on cases, but I literally have to do it. I like to help people on their cases, and obviously I have to make a living at this as well. And, my biggest fear is that I'm spread too thin and I miss a deadline or screw something up. Now, virtually never happens because I work my butt off. But, if I think, in my opinion, that your case and you are going to be better off with help, then by God, I am going to I'm going to ask for help, and I'm going to bring somebody on. Now, that's always with your permission. And so under Illinois law, we have to have it in writing. So if we're going to co-counsel with somebody, either the other attorney is going to have you sign something, or I'll have you sign something saying that it's okay. But, I never do it to benefit myself. I'd rather do everything myself, but I can't do everything myself. So to help injured people, my goal is help injured people. And if I think your case or your situation is going to benefit from somebody who's a specialist in a particular area, or just I need another set of eyes and hands on the file, then that's what I'm going to recommend to you. Okay? So I never just refer out a case, disappear, close the file, ignore it. I am always available to you anytime you need me. So kind of a rare question. Most people watching this video are not gonna, this will not have occurred to you, but to people who have been who have been hired by me, I know I have a lot of current clients who are viewers, so now you know. In case you wanted it explicit, I put it all in writing, but now you heard it from the horse's mouth. So anyway, hope that information helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you and the family are well. And if you need a lawyer, please give me a call, 312-500-4500, 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, night or day. That phone always gets picked up, and the call is always free. If you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, check the description. I have 2 amazing, quick, easy, free tools that you can answer. You answer 8 multiple choice questions off the top of your head, and you get custom information about your situation for free without talking to a lawyer in 20 seconds flat. People love these tools. One is called the Case Cash Calculator. Tons of people are using these tools. They cannot get enough of them, and I'm getting tons of people saying thank you, etc. One is called the Case Cash Calculator, tells you what your case might be worth. The other one is called the Good Case Calculator, tells you whether you might have a good case or whether you might have a case with some warts, some challenges and problems. But knowledge is power, right? So you want to know. You should want to know. Free to use. Check them out. Links in the description. I have over 300 injury videos on my YouTube channel. Check them out. You can do a search on my channel. It'll probably answer your question. But if you have a question that you'd like me to answer in a video, leave it in the comments section. Be happy to shoot you a video. And if you subscribe, you'll get notified when I release the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It tells Google to spread my video out to other people so they get answers to their questions too. Finally, last thing is, if you enjoyed this video or my other videos or the tools and free information I give to injured people, and you wouldn't mind helping me out, I'd really appreciate it. It would really be a big help to me. Being an injury lawyer is very, very competitive. So the more 5-star reviews I can get on Google, the more it helps me. So if you wouldn't mind, I've got a link in the description. It just takes you right to the page, the review page on your phone, your tablet, or your computer. And you just click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit. Literally 5 or 10 seconds for you, and invaluable help to me, and a very nice way to say thank you to me for the Case Cash Calculator, the Good Case Calculator, my injury cheat sheet, my book and CD, my 300 injury videos I shoot explaining how all this works, the free consultations, all that stuff. If you have found value in any of that stuff and you wouldn't mind leaving me a review, I'd really, really appreciate it, okay? So link in the description. Once again, I hope you are doing well and the family is doing well. If there's anything I can do for you, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Otherwise, I am going to park my car, I hope. Garage is very full today. I'm going to park my car and go to work. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.